what we've seen is really a quick movement to, accepting increased communication, collaboration, while trying to maintain social distancing, which is a really difficult thing that when you think about it, and you guys ship freight all the time, and you're dealing with paperwork. So how do you maintain social distancing with paperwork? And we've all talked about being fully digital for a long time. Digital within our operations of the four walls, digital within the supply chain, and digital to our end customer. But the trucking side of it really has been paper for too long. And we are working closely with some of the largest shippers out there in the world on digitizing that piece of the supply chain, getting rid of the paperwork, installing what we call EBOLs and EPODs. So it's fully electronic, and then really capturing the footprint of the domestic freight market.